Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be doing another example of a expectation and variance of discrete random variables in probability. The probability mass function for a discrete random variable x is p of x is equal to 1 is equal to 0.2, p of x is equal to 2 is equal to 0.5, p of x is equal to 3 is equal to 0.3. Find the variance and standard deviation. This is another example of a expectation and variance of discrete random variables. So we have to figure out what the variance is. So first, let me write down the formula for the variance. It would be variance of x is equal to e x minus mu squared. If x is a random variable with mean mu. A simpler way of finding the variance is variance of x is equal to e to the x squared minus e to the x squared. And the standard deviation would just be the square root of the variance of x. So first we need to figure out the expectations. So let me write down e to the x. It would just be 0.2 times 1 plus 0.5 times 2 plus 0.3 times 3. And this would just be 2.1. And now we have to figure out what e to the x squared is. The expectation of x squared would just be 0.2. Now all I'm just doing is squaring the x. This 1 here plus 0.5 times 2 squared plus 0.3 times 3 squared. Simplified from here, it would be 4.9. And now we can figure out the variance of x, given that we found the expectation and e expectation of x squared. So let me write down the variance of x. It would just be 4.9 minus 2.1 squared. And the variance of x would be 0.49. To find the standard deviation, we just have to square this term. And this just equals 0.7. The standard deviation of x is equal to 0.7. So the variance is equal to 0.49 and the standard deviation is 0.7. And this is another example of a expectation and variance of discrete random variables problem in probability.